half a month, 15 days to go, and I'll dispose them. Yeah, so this video that I'm doing is just to equip you with what you're supposed to feed your pigs. I my people, it's a boy once again. It's a boy Tony Mushiri Official. Yeah, it's your boy Tony Mushiri Official. Look at the look of things. Hey, there's a lot of sun days. Yeah, you can see by the look of things, I'm just all by myself. Yeah, back in the village, so you can see how things are. And what you can see here are my dance banana plantation. And I don't know what is happening to this banana. Can you see there are so many insects? I don't know. It needs to be worked on. There are a lot of insects. I don't know what may be causing this. So this is my dance banana plantation. Yeah, so I've come here to check on some trees. I want to split some timbers, and so I've come to check. You see here back in the village we have our shambas subdivided. So I got this tree. I wanted to see the trees that are on my side, on my piece of land. So like there's this tree. I got this one tree here. I got another one here. So I'm going to split these ones. Yeah, I'm going to split these ones. And this is what you call mera. This is what you call mela. They are vehicles that you usually see on Kenyan road, mostly from Meru County. Meru County. They usually end to Mombasa, Nairobi. Yeah, they usually carry these stuffs. This is what you usually call mela. Yeah, this is what you usually call mela. This is what usually people chew. So this is mera. I'm trying to find. So these are the shoot that people usually consume. Yeah, you see such. These ones are very expensive. This type of shoot. This one. Is it very visible? Yeah, this one. This one is what usually people usually consume. Yeah, that one. Yeah. So I was trying to find. Wow, this tree is also on my side. God is good. I thought it is in my brother's shamba. I got several trees over here. I can split these ones and I'll have enough timbers. I got this one. This is one. Yeah, this is one. Yeah, it's on my side. So I got one, 2, 3, 4, 5. These ones are just okay. These ones will give me enough frames. Like I need to split these ones. Now I'm trying to find the direction they will fall at, because already beans have been planted on this piece of land. Yeah, this is my piece of land back in the village. Also down there I got some trees. So guys, we need to split some trees. Yeah, I need some frames. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm going to just be splitting some timbers, and this is how village looks like. You can see this is how we usually prepare the piece of land to do some planting. Yeah, we are expecting the rains, but the rains are not yet. So this is how home looks like. This is how village looks like, my people. This is village life. Village life. So there is a beehive. I'm very scared of. There are no bees here. There are no bees. Yeah, there are bees. That is a beehive. And there are some bees inside there. I can see them get out. And I wonder then who was able to cut these branches where beehives are there. You can see the branches have been cut. That person must be very brave. Even the one who was stealing this piece of land. That one must be very serious. Noko, imagine huko kuna nyuki na kuna wasee kuna muntu alengire kamugunda. Tana shindo. Simba is here with us. Simba. That's Simba. Yeah, Simba. Well, so simply. Hi my people, it's a boy once again. It's a boy Tony Mushiri Official on YouTube. I go by the name Tony Mushiri Official. And as you can see, I'm still back in the village, and this is my pig farm project. Yeah, you've been seeing these piglets from day one. Now they are 1 month old, and you can see they are doing quite good. Half a month, 15 days to go, and I'll dispose them. Yeah, so this video that I'm doing is just to equip you with what you're supposed to feed your pigs to have them attain some good weight for the slaughter, or to have some good immunity. Yeah, you can see they're eating some. It's afternoon, eh? Yeah, it's afternoon. It's around. It's around. What's the time? It's around 2 p.m. Kenyan time, and you can see, like I told you, I usually give them. This is a feeding trough. It's on this side, and on that side we got the water nipple. That one which is there. So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to be giving them some lafages. Lafages usually help them to attain good weight. Yeah, mostly if you're doing them for the slaughter. Yeah, and you can see all of them are just having something to chew. Yeah, you can see they're enjoying. All of them are just chewing. So lafages for the pig, you can get it from cabbage leaves. Yeah, is it cabbage leaves? And so someone over here, you want to say something?
Hi guys.
Yeah, so we are here, and that's your boy. So you can get them from cabbages, you can get them from ackles leaves, and also get them from sweet potato vines. Yeah, if you can be able to grow sweet potato vines, then you'll be cutting the vines and you give to your pigs. It is so good. Yeah, even to increase their blood. So well, simply this is the best thing you can do to just. These some of the waste. People may refer them as waste, but they are very nutritious, or they are very helpful to the pig. You can hear how they are enjoying while chewing. So each and every piglet, or even the mother, they're having something to chew. Yeah, they're having something to chew. Yeah. So you just have to ensure that they have something they can chew on the afternoon. That gives them a very good health. So let's check on the others, and let's see what if they are enjoying too. Here you can see even them. I've given them the same stuff. Those are the waste from groceries. You can just have someone who got a grocery, and they'll be giving you the waste, the cuttings from the kales, the cabbages, the potatoes, and the tomatoes that are starting to rot. You can just pick them and ensure that you give them to your pigs. They'll attain a lot of weight. That one is a guarantee. But if you feed them on the commercial feeds only, the weight and even the taste of the meat will be different, comparing to the ones that are feeding on such stuff. Also, you can see this male here. You can see it is still enjoying the stuff. Yeah. Go on with your chewing, Papa. Yeah. Go on with your chewing. Go on with your chewing, Papa. Yeah. So that's simply how it is. You just have to enjoy doing your farming, my people. Just have to enjoy doing it to the fullest. Yeah. Use the Mr. Big Man. Mr. Big Man. Yep. So pigs love to be tapped. They're enjoying being tapped, and all that. You can see it is even tray. This is what they love. If you want your pigs to be very friendly, just tapping them and all that. You can see these are very good male. You can see the testicles. This is a massive boar. So what you have to do, ensure that you don't give it a lot of fins, so that it can't have a lot of weight, and also not to have a lot of fat, so that it cannot get tired so fast when it is mounting the other pigs. So these got a very good trait. This is a very good trait of a boar. You can see even the formulation of the body. This is massive. This is what you call a massive boar. Yeah. massive boar. Tail looks good. You can see the tail. I've tail docked. Yeah. Not that they were born with that tail, eh? I'm the one who had to cut it. All of them just got the tails cut. They are to prevent cannibalism. That's the reason as to we usually do that. Yeah, they're just enjoying their stuff. Now those are kaniga kambisa onelia. You ana kaniga kana koniga kakega mono. That's my mom. Ana akagwera kauli. Mando na kirume kile anapewa ni kirume. Kauna nega kuona ni agate ngai agate biego ning tioga kuluma lo matwa muri kaka ngai ate bi kangane kabote korea irio ida ime monaga kagolo kaganga ambere yandi yangangu kamunta nyamwa nembokia nikongere sindano ya booster akangulio kadogo nilikadunga kweli mimi nini lakini na kamunti kage na tutai nembiye gutuma kweli kandi anakala kange no kwa anakala kale baga takatende kaune kangana kaga kinye toko go tiba ukali edin no diga montao no kamonte o bando sio kaite overdose. I have taken to get the overdose, no fun. Leo mbati nebo niga kolesa resa. Wapi? Topopo. Ino tapu ino na okiria ngakia ndagebe to isi tora galonse oya gweta moda sinaweza kula. Si kutaenda aje saa hizi ndio itakula tu. Kai.